Message from Spirit. So in this reading, we will going to have pick a pile, reading, message from Spirit. So habang sinashuffle natin ng cards, my loves, pa-provide tayo ng dalawang pile. This is for pile number 1 and pile number 2. Ayan, my loves, kung napag-isipan ng mabuti kung ano yung pipiliin. Again, this is for pile number 1 and this is for pile number 2. So, dito muna tayo sa pile number 1. Let's see. Message from spirits. My collectives in pile number 1, ayan, meron tayo ditong Herald, merong Fox, and mayroong Garden. So, dito, my loves, I hear na meron kang, you are about to receive some news, some change, or pwede mag-cause ng change. So, may kinalaman to, my loves, sa trust. So, pwede may mabago sa trust. Pwede, my loves, na meron kang tao na malapit sa'yo, my loves, na susubukin yung iyong trust. So, with this Fox, my loves, I hear na merong pagka-sneaky itong person na to. Pwede, my loves, na hindi lang siya basta part ng cycle or part ng community mo. Malapit sa'yo yung taong to. Pwede din, my loves, na ikaw ay attracted dito. Hindi ipinapakita dito yung love or partner, pero may, alam mo yun, meron kang nararamdaman dito special na feelings sa taong to, na pwedeng si spirit ay wina-warning yan ka about dito, na pwedeng magdulot or alam mo yun, may parang pagka maging aware ka sa mga taong nakapaligid sa'yo. So, meron ditong changes or merong pagbabago. Pwede, my loves, na right now nararamdaman mo yun. Parang may nababago sa cycle mo, sa group of friends mo, may parang something, may alam sila na hindi mo alam. Pwedeng ganun, my loves. And this is part of your transition. Kung medyo mahihirapan kang i-accept to, pwede, my loves, na isa din tong indication na yung taong pinagkakatiwalaan mo ay pwedeng masira ang iyong tiwala. So, let's see more message from this person. Kasi dito, with this Herald, my loves, I hear na kahit ano ang mangyari dito, may kinalaman ang teamwork din dyan, my loves. So, beware. So, meron ditong caution. And I hear boundaries. Pwede nag-express ka ng love to special someone. I hear na kailangan mo ng boundaries, my loves. Kasi parang, but I also hear culture shock. Pwede, my loves, na may mababago din sa environment mo. Pwedeng sign to na pwede mismong kung ikaw ay employed, pwede mismong company or pwede group of friends or kung ikaw ay nag-aaral, may mababago eh. Meron ditong community and culture. And I also hear ito ay kumbaga warning na huwag ka masyado magtitiwala sa mga taong nakapaligid sa'yo. So, let's see more. May tower dito, my loves. So, I hear, pwede na ikaw, my loves, ay sinasabihan ng mga tao sa paligid mo na parang nagbago ka. Pwedeng ganun, my loves. And dito, my loves, I hear na dapat panindigan mo yung pagbabago na yon. Ayan, when the cheerful sun smiles at you with all with all its good intent, and your life will never resemble a night so dark and reticent. So my loves, ayan nga, malinaw na malinaw, kasing linaw na araw na to, my loves. Yung mga mare-reveal. I also hear, meron kang isasaradong pinto, or kumbaga meron kang pinto o opportunity na dapat mong i-close, access na dapat mong putulin sa ibang tao. So ayan, my loves, dito I hear the fox energy and the sun is may sneaky energy na madidiscover mo. Okay? So, whatever it is, my loves, like this tower, my loves, mag-focus ka na sa pagbabagong yan. Kung ano man ang ma-discover mo, you need to have movement and change. Ayan, the gentleman's of the king's card. He brings you joy or makes you grim, depending on which signs. O yan, my loves, may kinalaman to sa isang taong pinagkakatiwalaan mo, sa yung team, sa yung teammates. Pwede, my loves, itong taong to ay, yun nga, pwede may kinalaman sa kanya. And, my loves, dito sa garden, pwede din, my loves, ito ay pwede lumitaw din dito yung taong magtatanggol sa'yo. If ever makaka-experience or nakaka-experience ka right now ng mga nabanggit natin, pwede may isang taong darating para ipagtanggol ka, para depensahan ka, para tulungan kang malinis yung pangalan mo. So, meron my loves na darating. So, let's see. Sa darating na to, and the tower card. Yung tower, my loves, hindi ka masyado maaapektuhan dito. Or pwede ko naaapektuhan ka na, you need to stand tall like this tower. Ayan. With this sorcerers, my loves, you are a magical person who can manifest your clear intentions into reality. So, you know what is, you know the truth, my loves. If ever na ma-involve ka sa isang parang, I hear scapegoatism or pagbibintang. My loves, kung alam mo ang katotohanan, okay? Kung ikaw yung, if ever na parang mapagkakaisaan ng teammates mo or ng iyong community, you know the truth, my loves. And with this guardian, my loves, wala kang kailangang intindihin. You and your loved ones are safe and spiritually protected. Diba? Kung alam mong nasa tama ka, alam mo, my loves, na walang mangyayari sa'yo, alam mong safe ka, alam mong ibe-bless ka or deserve mo ang blessings. Synchronicities. Yes, cycles, my loves. So, I hear na mayroong matatapos at mayroong magsisimula. So, di ba kanina, merong sisiwalat na parang special sa'yo, and then may darating ditong tao. Pwede yan yun, my loves, the cycles. And I also hear, ayan, meron ditong fated na mangyari, my loves, and something ending, and something about to begin. So, dito, my loves, kung alam mo nasa tama ka, like this tower, my loves, manindigan ka. And the karma knows its address. Okay? So, kung meron kang katanungan kay spirits, let's see. Kung meron kang katanungan kay spirits, yes or no question na katanungan mo kay spirits, wedding date, my loves, let's see. For pile number 1. A year from now. A year from now, my loves. So, subconsciously, ano yung tinanong mo kay spirits? And their answer is a year from now. So, dito, my loves, their last message, growth, my loves. Kagaya nitong herald. The growth, change, and transition. You need to move. You need to move forward. You need to stand tall. And this growth inside yourself, you've been sown beauty and sabihin natin, You saw or nagtanim ka ng, sabihin natin, may binhi ka ng kabutihan, my loves. Kahit na in pain ka, my loves, and that those speaks of your immortality in the expansive and eternal song softly billowing in your spirit, my loves. So, again, nandun ka sa side ng tama, nasa side ka ng kabutihan, my loves. Even na you are wounded, you still growing. So, spirits wants you to remember that you need to move forward at huwag na huwag ka madi-discourage kung ano man ang iparamdam sa'yo ng community bloom. Okay, my loves? And that's all for your reading pile number 1. And let's move forward kay pile number 2. So, kay pile number 2 naman, my loves. Let's see kung ano ang message sa'yo ni spirits. Message ni spirits for pile number 2. The bouquet. Meron ditong reward, pleasure, flattery, umesan din dito, my loves, and the bird. I hear, my loves, the exciting blooms, okay, upcoming for you. So, nandito ang success. Kung titingnan natin, my loves, more on, alam mo yun, very favorable cards. With the bouquet cards, my loves, I hear someone wants to tell you something, wants to, alam mo yun, parang they are igniting. Gusto nila, my loves, na i-compliment ka. Gusto nila iparamdam yung suporta sa'yo. Pwede din, my loves, na ikaw to mismo na makaka-receive ng flattery. I hear recognition, my loves. Why I hear recognition? So, some of you will going to receive recognition, will going to recognize by someone, or pwede din sa kanya work environment. So, dito, my loves, pwede din ito, exposure, sikat. Kasi look at the cards, lalo na din tong the bird, my loves. Meron ditong mga excitement, support. Pwede din, my loves, ito literal na halimbawa, sumali ka sa beauty contest, my loves, with this crown. And a lot of people will going to congratulate you. A lot of people will going to chat you, will going to have interest to talk to you, my loves. So, I hear the happiness and warm greetings, my loves, dito sa pile number 2. So, meron lang isa na parang ito matagal mo talaga tong gustong makamtan. Matagal mo na talaga siyang gustong maranasan, my loves. The recognition. Recognition sa family, recognition sa kung ano man yung goal mo, recognition sa work, my loves. But I hear meron din ditong anxiety. After this recognition, after this success and reward, my loves, parang magtatanong ka, saan pa ulit ako patutungo? Kasi dito, my loves, I hear ito, ang tagal mo tong inintay. Ang tagal mo inintay, parang triumph to sa'yo, my loves. Triumph sa'yo yung mapansin ka, triumph sa'yo yung ma-recognize ka, and I also hear fame. Kumbaga, matagal mo tong inintay, and ngayon nandito siya, or parating na siya. Once na dumating to, pwede din mapaisip ka, parang ito na ba yun? Ganito pala yung feeling. So, my loves, kumbaga dito sa anxiety, prone ka pa rin sa anxiety kahit dumating yung mga bagay na to. So, once na nangyari to, you have to make, sabihin natin, yung backup plan. After nitong mangyari, ano yung next move ko? Saan ako patutungo? So, dito, my loves, may happiness, masaya ang energy, pero kagaya ng sinabi ko, you are prone pa rin doon sa anxiety. So, let's see message from spirits. Ayan, bright future. Napakaganda ng pile. Very favorable talaga kay pile number 2. Very bright future. May sensitivity dito. And, ayan. Dagdagan natin with boundaries. So, I hear my loves. Ayan, papalapit ka na talaga doon sa fruition ng mga bagay na pinaghirapan mo. Doon sa dinere-diretso mong passion. Saan ka ba passionate? Ano ba yung ginagawa mo ngayon na parang gustong-gusto mo talagang makita yung success? Kasi nandito yung happiness eh. So, andito, stop worrying everything. Stop worrying. Everything is going to be fine. So, pwede right now, kung hindi pa ito dumadating sa'yo, nag-overthink ka na. But, always remember with White Tara, you are becoming increasing sensitive. Pwede din may loves na kung meron ka na mare-receive na compliment, meron ka ding mare-receive na negative comments. So, I hear, kung, di ba ito yung naging extra natin kanina, kung hindi mo kaya, my loves, na marinig, halimbawa, nanalo ka, tapos sinabi, parang deserve ni ganun, parang mas deserve ni ganun. Siyempre, masasaktan ka, di ba, my loves, na parang sa'yo ibinigay yung reward na yon. Actually, iyon ay galing kay universe, galing talaga, destined talaga sa'yo yun, di ba? So, hindi lang natin maiiwasan na may mga taong ganun na, ganun sila mag-comment na parang deserve ni ganun. Mas deserve ni ganun kasi mas sanay siya sa ganun. No? So, hindi nila maiiwasan dahil comment lang sila, pero hindi nila alam na iyon ay nakakasakit. So, dito my loves, avoid harsh relationship. Kung may mga bagay or may mga taong hindi iniisip yung mga pwede nilang sabihin natin, mga sinasambit nila na hindi, without sabihin na, let's say, sige, baka hindi consciously, hindi nila alam yun, or subconsciously, kumbaga, parang nasa subconscious nila yun, may halong wounds and insecurity, pero my loves, you need to have or to make boundaries, okay? Love yourself enough to say no to others. Demand on your time and energy. Pwede din, my loves, na itong kagustuhan mo na to, yung mangyayari sa'yo na to, my loves, I hear na parang may mga bagay na parang hirap kang matanggihan. So, spirits are telling you, have boundaries, my loves. So, hindi lahat ay pwede mong oohan, sigihan, dahil dito sa blessings na dumating sa'yo. So, I hear, my loves, na avoid harsh relationship and environment kung hindi yan makakatulong. Pwede kasi iyan yung mag-cause sa'yo ng anxiety or magpalala kung meron man, my loves. So, let's see more about this. Yes, who stands near to this garden? Good company will make, my loves, apaka-favorable ng pile number 2 in fairness, ha. So, dito, my loves, meron kang mga magiging bagong kaibigan, my loves. At meron ding lilitaw na snake dyan sa circle mo, or pwedeng dyan sa environment mo na pwedeng cause sa'yo ng mga betrayal. I hear kung ano man yung naging plans mo, steps mo, keep it secret, my loves. There is someone na sneaking about your blessings in life. Gusto nilang malaman paano mo na-achieve yun. Gusto nilang malaman ano ginagawa mo. So, my loves, eto yung extra card mo, boundaries. Hindi lahat ng tao, kahit nga even family, my loves, kung alam mong hindi aligned sa'yo, hindi nila forte yun, hindi nila hilig yun, bakit kailangan pa nilang malaman? So, my loves, have boundaries, kasi dito merong snake na may tendency, my loves, na agawin, gayahin. So, the winding snake is likely vile and sleazy. For betrayal, she has a propensity, my loves. So, nandito sa mga friend group yun, my loves, and tingnan mo kung saan nakaharap ang snake nandoon sa iyong bright future. That's why ipinapaalala sa iyo yung boundaries. Kasi dito talaga, tingnan mo yung significance ng card natin. Meron ng sun, meron pang star. And meron pa ditong nag-aalab. So, I hear, my loves, talaga recognition and fame. Pwede, my loves, kung hindi ka into social media, pwede sa company mo, my loves, is ma-recognize ka na or magkaroon ka ng panibagong blessings about your status. Pero dito, my loves, mare-recognize ka, makikilala ng iba yung iyong ganda, yung iyong talent, at kung ano ang meron ka. Look at the crown, my loves. So, let's see. Sign. Fire sign. Ang dami. Apoy talaga ha. Very passionate, my loves. So, pwede din, my loves, na wag mong hayaan na mamatay yung apoy. Itong bright future na to, my loves, malapit nang dumating sa'yo. So, everything is going to be fine kung ano man yung iniisip mo right now. And dito, my loves, sa fire sign, I hear na iwasan yung anger. And umiwas din. Pwede ito, isa sign to. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, my loves. And dito, my loves, I hear pag fire sign, maging passionate ka and i-avoid mo yung anger, my loves. Since na nasa Aries season tayo. Alam mo yun, kasi pwede sensitive ka eh. So, yung ibang maririnig mo, parang hindi mo kayang i-take. So, dito, my loves, spirits are telling you, maging passionate ka at iwasan ng pagiging magagagitin. So, your last message with this green man, all that I desire comes to me easily and effortlessly. Yes, my loves. Tingnan mo, kahit parang, ba't nasa pile number 2 ako? Eh, ganito yung dinaranas ko. Pero, my loves, look, spirits are reminding you that everything that you desire comes to you easily and effortlessly. You know, this is true. So, always remember and tell yourself, I am abundant in all that I do. Okay? So, my loves, wag mo susukuan yan. Malapit na malapit ka na. And that's all for pile number 2. See you in my next one.